Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever wondered why, when blood sugar starts spiraling out of control, we usually only focus on the numbers, like our glucose levels or A1C test? But the real issue is not just the numbers, it is actually hidden inside your pancreas. Specifically, in how many beta cells you have left that are still capable of making insulin. Today, we are going to talk about how science shows you can actually help reboot your pancreas using specific seeds. In many parts of the world, including South Asia, diabetes is a massive struggle. But here is something doctors often don't mention. By the time someone is diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, they may have already lost 40 to 50% of those insulin producing beta cells. It is like your insulin factory is already running at half capacity. Traditional medicines often just treat the output, the higher sugar, but they don't fix the factory. Let us look at how your simple, affordable seeds can help repair those cells and tackle the root cause. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss a life-changing health update. Now, for a long time, people thought diabetes only gets worse and never better. But after 30 years of research, scientists now know the pancreas is not fixed. It has a natural ability to repair itself, a process called functional recovery. Think of your pancreas like a factory with 1,000 workers making insulin. If the factory is mistreated for years, machines break down and workers start quitting. Eventually, you are left with only 500 tired workers doing the job of 1,000 workers. That is what we call insulin resistance or burnout. The good news, your factory has reserved workers. If they get the right environment, they can set up and become new beta cells. This is where these seeds work their magic. So without further delay, let's get started. Seed number one, fenugreek. First up is fenugreek. It contains a compound called tregnoline, which acts like a genetic master switch called PDX1 that tells your pancreas to start making new beta cells. It is not just forcing old machines to work harder, it is hiring new workers. It also has a special fiber called galactomannan. This creates a gel in your stomach that traps the sugar and releases it slowly into your blood, giving your pancreas a much needed break. A study from the University of Oslo found that taking 10 grams of fenugreek powder daily for 12 weeks dropped the fasting blood sugar by 28% and A1C level by over 13%. Those are results you would expect from expensive medication. Seed number two, black seed. Next is black seed or kalonji. It contains thymoquinone, which activates a master switch called AMPK. Think of this as an emergency side door. It allows sugar to enter your muscles without needing insulin to unlock the main door. This takes a huge load off your pancreas. Research shows it can lower fasting blood sugar by about 18.9 milligram per deciliter. Seed number three, flax seeds. Third is flaxseed. Beta cells are fragile and can be killed off by oxidative stress when sugar is high. Flax seeds are packed with lignans and omega 3s, which creates a protective shield around your beta cells. According to Penn State University, 25 grams of ground flaxseed daily can lower insulin levels by nearly 20%, meaning your body becomes much more efficient. Seed number four, chia seeds. Finally, we have chia seeds. They can reduce sugar absorption in the blood by 21% and are great for targeting stubborn belly fat. If you are finding this helpful so far, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have ever tried any of these. How to use them correctly. Now, many people say, I eat these, but they don't work. That is usually because of how they are being eaten. Here is the science-backed way to do it. Fenugreek seeds soak 10 grams, about 1 tablespoon, in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, drink the water and chew the seeds. Do not cook or roast them. Heat destroys 40% of the active compound. The bitterness means it's working. Flax seeds. You need 25 grams, roughly 2.5 tablespoons. It must be ground. Whole flax seeds just pass through your systems without being absorbed. Keep your ground flax seeds in the fridge in an airtight container to keep it fresh. Black seed. Use 2 to 3 grams, half a teaspoon. Lightly toast them just enough to make them digestible, but avoid high heat. Chia seeds. Soak 1 tablespoon in water for at least 15 minutes until it becomes a thick gel. Eating them dry would not give you the full fiber benefit. For the best results, drink your fenugreek water first thing in the morning. Then add your ground flax seeds and soak chia seeds to your breakfast. This creates a gel buffer in your stomach that controls the sugar from the rest of your meal. But avoid these 5 big mistakes. Number 1. Giving up too soon. It takes 8 to 12 weeks to see new beta cells. Be patient. Number 2. Eating whole flax seeds. Your stomach can't break the shell. It's a waste. Number 3. Relying on supplements. Whole seeds have the fibers and compounds that capsules often lack. Number 4. Not changing your diet. You can't out-eat a bad diet with seeds. Cut the sodas and processed snacks. Number 5. Ignoring belly fat. Carrying weight around your midsection blocks insulin from working. Even a little daily walking will make the protocol 10 times more effective. Type 2 diabetes does not have to be a life sentence. Your pancreas is tired, but it is not finished. It has the power to heal if you give it right tools and consistency. These seeds cost pennies compared to expensive meds, but the benefits are priceless. If you found this video helpful, please share it with anyone you know struggling with diabetes. Take care of yourself and your health. Allah Hafiz.